Mario, a musical theater major from Germany, has always been drawn to the stage. He got the opportunity to perform in musicals under the guidance of award-winning performers who have worked on Broadway and touring productions, top-rated regional theater, opera, and hit movie musicals, as well as in television and film. Let's hear more about it. Take it away, Mario.
Thank you so much, Alex. I've been performing my entire life. My grandma is a big inspiration. She was an actress and ballet dancer. I've put on shows for my family as a kid, joined theater clubs, also as an exchange student in France, and got cast in a big public German theater production. I've always wanted to dive deep into performing. I just didn't really know I could do it at first. After high school, I earned a business degree and worked in consulting. But I realized that I needed to pursue my childhood dreams, which is why I'm here now. NYFA's musical theater program is my ideal environment to explore the artist I want to be. The program is incredibly diverse, both in terms of the students, who are from the US and all over the world, and also the curriculum. Your fellow students will bring in their own unique perspectives and talents as singers, dancers, actors, and filmmakers. As you work with them, you grow together. The entire student and faculty body is passionate and friendly, which makes connecting and learning easy and fun. You are making friends with students from all over the world. It's honestly amazing. Our faculty are working professionals in the performing arts industry, most of whom work and have worked on Broadway. At NYFA, student work comes first. You build a solid foundation in your craft. For me, that's acting, dancing, and singing in a variety of styles. We get to perform in high-quality musical theater productions, learn from teachers who love and know what they're doing, and also collaborate with students from all other departments. I've been in student films, photo shoots, music videos, voiceover projects, and even new works. I found a second home in New York City, built new friendships, and learned a new culture. Switching career paths to join the performing arts industry is a difficult but beautiful experience. And NYFA is helping me make the switch. See you in the front row. Back to you, Alex.
NYFA provides aspiring visual storytellers and performers with the resources to develop a strong creative portfolio. NYFA's musical theater programs, for instance, give students like Mario essential stage training and chances to audition for fully produced main stage musicals, culminating in an industry showcase, all while studying right in New York City, home to Broadway. Thanks for sharing, Mario.